Hello everyone. As you know, finding the best font for your design is a necessary process. And if you are uploading designs on print-on-demand websites, it is vital to use commercial-free fonts for your designs. Today, we are going to talk about a website that provides you with over 3,500 free fonts with a commercial-free license. Not only that, but also this website displays the fonts in a way that gives you ideas and inspiration for your designs and for the best fonts to use. The fonts are already displayed on pre-made designs or a background that provides some direction on how to best use each font. The website I am talking about is called fontdesk.com. If you go to FontDesk home screen, choose All Fonts, and filter the fonts by clicking on the Free for Commercial Use option, you will get over 150 pages of free for commercial use fonts. If we open one of these fonts, we can see that it has a free license. You can also filter the fonts by categories like vintage, calligraphy, or geometric fonts. Or, you can choose to display the type of fonts, like script or handwritten fonts. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching.